Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how the Telemed feature in GoodX Web will work for a call-in patient. To start off, there are two ways in which you can let your patients know that you are able to do video consultations via Telemed on GoodX Web. Firstly, you can send out bulk SMSs and/or emails to your existing patients from your CRM tab in Admin. And secondly, a new/existing patient may call in to book a consultation, but they might experience difficulties leaving their house. Working from the second scenario, the receptionist can create a placeholder booking that contains the patient's basic details, including their email address and/or cell phone number. Once the placeholder booking has been made, click on it and in the diary side panel, click on either the SMS or email buttons. In this case, the receptionist will use the Telemed Invite SMS/email template. This SMS/email will include a link to the doctor's myGC external booking page where they can make a Telemed booking. In the patient's email or SMS, they will receive the Telemed Invite with a link. Once it's clicked on, they will be navigated to the practitioner's external booking screen. There, the patient will have to log into their myGC account, or if they don't have an account on myGC, they will have to register. In the external booking screen, the patient will complete their booking information in the fields such as their name, the date and the time of the booking. Take note of the "What type of booking would you like to make?" drop down. Make sure that you select a type that says Telemed. Underneath, tick both checkboxes under "Please give your consent." Once everything is done, click on the Make Booking button. A pop-up message will display confirming that the booking was successful. Click on OK. Take note that once the booking has been made, the patient will receive an email and SMS confirming the booking details with a link that will open their myGC account. From here, they will have to confirm their demographic details or update them if needed. Once the patient has registered and completed their details on myGC, the receptionist can import it into GoodX Web. Click on the patient's newly created Telemed booking and in the diary side panel, click on the blue myGC button. The Data Update screen will pop up where the patient's data can be selected and imported into the doctor's GoodX Web. The myGC button will turn green, indicating that the patient's details have been imported. Once the patient's details have been added to the practitioner's GoodX Web, they can look at their notification section in the top right corner. From there, they can click on Open next to the relevant Telemed Call details to open the Telemed Call screen. Remember to allow your camera and microphone. Once the patient is ready to call, they can click on the Start Call button. The call will then begin and the screen will show Waiting for Doctor. The patient will now be in the Telemed waiting room in GoodX Web. The practitioner will then see that the Telemed booking of the patient is in the Arrived status, indicating that the patient is ready for the Telemed call. Start by clicking on the relevant Telemed booking and the diary side panel will appear. From here, there are two ways you can open the Telemed booking. First, you can select the Telemed button in the diary side panel. Or, you can click on the Clinical button where you will then be navigated to the clinical screen and from there, you can click on the Telemed button at the patient's profile. Once the Telemed button is clicked, the Telemed workflow event window will pop up. Take note that you need to set your video and microphone as allowed in your browser settings and that both are turned on. Click on the green telephone button to call and connect with the patient. Now you will be able to start your Telemed call. During the consultation, the practitioner can minimize the Telemed window to open a quick note event where they can type their notes. Click on the grey floater and then on the minimize icon. Your Telemed window will then be minimized and you can quickly open your quick note to start making your notes. Once you're done, you can restore the Telemed window. During the consultation, the practitioner will be able to take pictures if needed by clicking on the blue camera button. These images will be available to attach to your clinical notes. Once the call is done, the practitioner and the patient can click on the red phone button. If necessary, the practitioner will update their clinical notes from the Telemed Call. The quick note event can be used where one can attach the images. Once you are done with your clinical notes, click on the Save and Close button.